Hello Achievers, welcome you all to Shakti's Knowledge Hub, myself Dr. Shakti Suganya. Today we are in a new segment and this is not about subject. This segment is fully covering all the things or informations or tips which is related to your career. Example, if you want to go for an interview, you need to prepare in some of the aspects. And if you want to attend your group discussion, GD, you have to prepare in a different way. Likewise, you have so many things out of your subject to learn and to know. So in that way, to give you some inputs in those areas, we are planning to give the another segment, that is this new segment called the success journey. So in this segment, we are going to see the different informations which will be very useful for you in different situations for you to uplift your career. So in that aspect, today we are going to discuss about a topic called SWOT analysis. S, W, O and T. And most of you people would have heard about this term SWOT, and this SWOT is called as SWOT analysis or SWOT matrix. So you may think, what is the connection between our career and SWOT? Definitely there is a direct connection between your career, that is your life, even for the individual, in your personal life as well as for your professional life. This SWOT is a very important thing to know and to be learned by all the people. Even you may be a student, or you may be going for an interview, or you may belongs to any category. So today let's see what is SWOT analysis and how, in what way this will be helpful for us. Let's see them in detail. Every one of us will have a general or a common habit of asking other people to tell about ourselves. Example, maybe your parents or maybe your friends or your classmate or teachers or whomever it may be, like your siblings or someone. So you will ask, tell me what is my plus or what is my minus, in what way I need to improve, or what is the thing I am having as a strength. Likewise, we have so many things that we will get to know from the other people, that is from the outside. So instead of asking other people, we are the person who know more about ourselves. But the thing is, we should give some time to think about ourselves. In that way, if we want to know all the WH question about ourselves, like where we are, how we are, what we are, and all the other aspects related to ourselves. So this SWOT is one of the important and a very experienced and a very popularly experimented tool in many of the organization as well as for the individual to know the current status of an individual. That is, if you want to know about your business, you can go with SWOT analysis. Likewise, if you want to know about yourself, you can do the SWOT analysis. Let me explain what are these terms S, W, O and T represent. So, S stands for strength, W weakness, O opportunity and T for threats. So by seeing this term itself, you will get some idea of what it is and how we are going to do it. Let me explain you. Everyone will have an idea to know about themselves. So to prepare this SWOT analysis, we need some time. Like we have to think about ourselves. So do some of the common steps, like how to prepare the SWOT analysis. Take a sheet of paper or any of your diary, or you can open a page in your mobile or tab or something. Create a separate page to mention it like a column, like strength, weakness, opportunities or threats. So you can make it like a column, or you can use a separate pages for each and everything by titling all these terms called strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So you can understand the terms, right? S stands for strength. What is your complete strength? What is the strength inside you? And W, what is the weakness? In which aspect or in which way I am feeling myself as a weak person? And the third is the opportunity. What are all the different possible opportunities I will get from the outsiders or maybe from different other sources? And the last is about the threats. That is the obstacles. You can call it as obstacles. So what are all the different possible obstacles we will be facing in future from the outsiders or maybe from any of the outside sources. So we can divide it like this: strength and weakness is the internal thing, and these opportunities and threats are called the external thing. So we have to be very clear with each and everything. So take a sheet of paper and prepare a column or take a separate page. Give enough time to think about yourself. Start to think and start to list each and everything, like what are all your strengths, what are all your weaknesses, what are all the opportunities you have. Take an example. You are a student who is pursuing UG. That is your UG degree. So you think in that aspect. So being a student, being in that age, you may be like 19 or 20 years. So in that age, in that particular period of time, what are all the things which is surrounding to you? Like what is your strength? I am a good student. I am very good in studies and I am very good in handwriting. And I have a good stage presentation skill. And I have a good audience or interaction skill. Likewise, you will have some set of strength. You list all those things. And the weaknesses. All the people will have some weaknesses. Some people, in some other aspect, I am telling you some example, like a person who is having a stage fear, or a person who is having a fear to approach a new person in a first meet itself. So likewise, some of the examples I am listing. So if there are some of the weaknesses, like communication problems, some people will have a good knowledge in their subject and they may have a good presentation skill. All other aspects they will be good. But the communication may be a problem in some situations. So that will be a weakness for few people. And the third is the opportunity. So as per our example, you are a UG graduate or you are pursuing your UG degree. So what may be your future opportunity? Some possibilities from outsides, like that is the external things, like the job interviews through campus or maybe off campus or maybe through some of the references, or any good opportunities for your higher studies that may be in the country or maybe abroad. Likewise, you have to list each and everything. And the last is the threats, obstacles. So you have listed everything. Threats means the obstacles. What are all the possible disturbances or some of the unwanted forces or things that is disturbing from outside. Example, in short or for your understanding purpose, I will tell you some little examples, like some of the competitions, some other examples like financial situations, that is the kind of obstacle. So what I am listing is just some of the points in common. No matter that you have to write only these things what I have listed. You have to list what is your plus minus, what are all your strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So that will be differing from one person to another person. So you should not refer the other person or asking them to list what is your strength or weakness in that way. So you should take some time. Don't take very much time. Take some kind of enough but pleasant time to take a special time for yourself. That is called me time. About me time, I'll post another video. Definitely that will also help for your career as well as for your personal development. Hope you understand how to prepare all this thing. Listing all your strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. And once again I am telling, whatever I have listed here as an example will be a common one. And you have to list what is your list, like what is your SWOT. You have to consider your personal thing. Take enough time, prepare it well, and also you have to do one important thing called the analysis. So analysis in the sense not like kind of a technical thing or some of the calculations you need to do with your list of SWOT analysis. Like the SWOT what you have prepared about yourself. You have to go through each and everything. Whether we have listed everything without forgetting or we have overwritten something or any terms has been replaced. Likewise, you have to check once again and again. So once after you feel clear that you have listed everything about you, imagine if you prepared in a very short period, definitely there will be chances of incompletion in the SWOT. So that's why I am mentioning again and again you should take enough time to prepare your list. So once after the preparation is done, you have to go through it again and again. Any overwriting or any misplacement of the terms for each and every category like SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So you have to go through it. You just start with the strength. Like what are all the strengths I have and in what way. Here is the place where the analysis is starting. So while listing or while reading out or while going through the terms what you have listed in the strength. So you will able to know what are the maximum strength you have from your point of view. That is from yourself. That is the internal thing. If you got to know these are all my strength, you will try to or you will practice again and again to improve your existing strength to 200%. Imagine now it is like 80 or 100%. You can improve it more. Example, the presentation skill. I am having a good presentation skill, but still if I want to compete in the international level, in what way I need to develop myself. So in that way you have to practice for that thing to develop yourself to stand in the international stage. So that is an example. And in the another aspect, that is the weakness. So what are all the weakness I am having? I have a communication problem. That is the weakness we just listed in the example. What we have to do? We should take the necessary step to increase or to improve your communication by attending any seminars or any webinars or reading newspaper, and so many things we have. So that also I'll post you as a separate video for all your career related developments and progresses like communication skills, stage fear, interview, each and everything. So you have to check out your weaknesses. So once after identifying your weakness, to omit your weakness, you will go through or you will go with some of the practices. And the third is the opportunity. What are all the opportunities I am having? And you have to compare each and everything. That's why it is called as the SWOT matrix. Like you have to compare everything. So what is the opportunities I am having? So I have an opportunity to go and have my higher studies in abroad. Likewise, I am having an interview in the next month. So this is an opportunity for my career progress or my development. So how you can compare or how you can cross check this thing? If I have a communication skill, how could I attend my interview or how could I participate or to take part in the international competition or something? So you will be having a cross check with all your thing, and also you have some of the strength. And for that strength, what are all the different threats or obstacles available? So this is not also a compulsory thing that you have to compare only these things with these things. You can compare with each and everything. So that's why this is called as the SWOT matrix. So you will identify what are all the different threats you will have and list that thing and try to avoid. Take an example, you have some 3 threats. So through the proper practice, you can vanish each and everything. Likewise, everything is important to know about yourself and practice from your point of view. So this is what completely about a SWOT analysis. I gave you a detailed example and also the detailed explanation to prepare. That is the way to prepare and the way to analyze your strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Hope you all guys understand. If you have any doubt or clarification, please let us know in the comment box or the mail ID which we have given in the about page. Okay achievers, with this we are coming to our today's discussion. So hope this SWOT analysis will be very useful for you, and try this in your home. Have enough time to prepare this and to have an analysis, and if you feel interested, let me know in the mail ID or the comment box what you have prepared and what you came to know about yourself. If this is the first time you are seeing Shakti's Knowledge Hub, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future notification. Well, see you all soon in the next video. This career related segment is also available in both English and Tamil. Shatter the breakbends and relish your success journey. See you all soon. Have a good day. Bye.